Alright, yung gabi, tanan, yung gabi. Um, we will continue our topic this term 2 with the Hildegard Peplau, no, which is the module 8. And wala na, lipatan ko. Alright, sige, let's start Hildegard Peplau's theory of interpersonal relationship. Interpersonal, alright, nursing is the interpersonal therapeutic process of functioning cooperatively with other human processes that make wealth possible for individuals in communities through education that aims to promote forward movement of personality. Let's go. Personality. Personality. Guys, tandaan, si Hildegard Peplau is what? Is what? She is the mother of psychiatric mental health nursing. Tandaan. Alright, she is the mother of psychiatric mental health nursing. So, mental health. Alright, more of mental health. Alright? So, lang tawag mo man ang tsura ni Hildegard Peplau daw, pasyente man sang mental, charot. Alright, mental health. And of course, she is the nurse of the century. Alright, nurse of the century. Guys, tandaan man, naging ano man siya, executive director and president sang ANA. Ano ang ANA, sir? American Nurses Association. American Nurses Association. Alright, that Peplau taught the first classes for graduate psychiatric nursing students, alright? Graduate psychiatric nursing students. So more of psych na siya, guys. More of psych ang iya focus, alright? So tandaan lang siya. May ara siya four phases of nurse-patient relationships, alright? Guys, are pa she discussed four psychobiological experiences that compel destructive or constructive patient responses as follows: needs, frustrations, conflicts, and anxieties. Tandaan, basi magwa. Alright, tandaan, basi magwa. Alright, four phases of nurse-patient relationship. Tandaan isa guys. Una, orientation. Sir, anong orientation? Orientation, tandaan naton. For example, sa eskwelahan, nag-una kita nga adlaw bala nga mag-meet. Di ba gano ka muna, di ba ga-orient? Orientation, dili ni siya nga part, ma-meet si patient kag si nurse. Alright? Same lang naman sa eskwelahan, ma-meet ka mo sa bagong mga classmate, you start to know each other. Alright? Ginakilala nyo ang isa kag isa o mangkot ang ngalan o ako gali si Josh something something something. Alright? Then sa identification, ano yung identification? The patient begins to trust the nurse. Masalig na ang pasyente sa nurse. Alright? Same man na nga mga ma-share ang pasyente sa iya secret sa imo. Alright? Ma-open na siya. That's identification. Alright? Pagtapos ng identification, guys, tapos ang identification, exploitation. Ano exploitation? Exploitation, dili na kamo nagabuligay ni patient, alright, nga mag-work. Alright? The client derives full value from what the nurse offers through the relationship. Client uses available services based on self-interest and needs. Power shifts from the nurse to the client. Alright? Exploitation, the patient and nurse work together to solve problems. Alright? Like when you and your classmate help each other with your homework. Alright? So diri is orientation, nagkitaay ka mo, identification, nagkilalahay na, nagsalig na siya simo, exploitation, nagbuligay na ka mo, alright? And resolution, it's babay na. Alright? Resolution, it's babay na. So, tandaan ang resolution, guys, ginahambal na siya sa orientation pa lang. Ginahambal nga, ma'am, sir, may katapusan ang aton nga relasyon. Alright? Na hindi pwede nga forever kamo duha. Alright? Old needs and goals are set aside and new ones are adopted. Once older needs are resolved, new and more mature one become evident. So meaning, ang goals nyo, nga daan, gina-set aside, kang bago naman ang gina-adopt. Once matapos na ang daan, ng mga needs, kung ma-resolve na, newer and more mature one become evident. Alright? Next, six proposed nursing roles. Guys, ano ang role ni nurse sa kabuhi ni patient? Una, guys, kung magpa-hospital ka mo kilala nyo ang kung magpa-hospital ka mo kilala nyo ang ang nurse nyo, 'di ba hindi? So stranger siya anay. Of course, stranger role, all right, is exemplified by nurse receiving client the same way one meets a stranger in other life situations, meaning hindi pa kilala ang nurse. So meaning the nurse provides an accepting climate that builds trust. Tandaan. Next, resource role. The nurse answers questions, interprets clinical treatment data, and gives an information, meaning ang nurse is like your guide, giving you answers when you have questions about your health. Amo na siya. Right? Teaching, of course, teacher o gatag siya instructions, provides training, amo na siya. Alright? Next, counseling, guys. Ang nurse, hindi lang siya teacher, hindi lang siya guide. Alright? She is also a counselor. So amo ginang importante gid nga ang mga nurses naton kabalo gid mamati kag naga-counsel gid sa patient kay nga ang mga pasyente naton need gina nila help. Are we clear? Clear. Alright, sure. The nurse helps clients understand and integrate the meaning of current life circumstances and provides guidance and encouragement to make changes. Next, surrogate role. Ang surrogate is your is like a temporary family member. Alright, the nurse helps client clarify domains of dependence, interdependence, and independence, and acts on clients' behalf as advocate. Next is active leadership role, in short, leader lang. Alright, leader. The nurse helps the client assume maximum responsibility for meeting treatment goals in a mutually satisfying way. Leader, of course. Leader, ang nurse is like a team captain, guys, ha? Ginagaya ang tanan, not only you, but of course your family and other health workers. Tama? So you get the best care. Read nyo na ni ang theory in view of meta paradigms, alright? Let's go kay Ida Jean Orlando. Ida Jean Orlando of deliberative nursing process. Tandaan, deliberative nursing process. Ang balyada, nursing is a profession that seeks to find out and meet patients' immediate need for help. So meaning, find out, ara ang word, find out. Tandaan si Ida Jean Orlando, theory of deliberative nursing process, deliberative. Guys, tandaan ang deliberative, daw detective na siya. Daw detective na siya. Alright? Daw detective. Ida Jean Orlando's theory develop observations. She'll coordinate between the nurse and the patient. Observations. Observations. Tandaan ang detective, mailing mag-observe. Alright? I-connect na karon nga detective ang kawag ko di sa iya. Alright? Are, nursing process theory. The nursing process interaction of three basic elements. Una, yes, tandaan nyo na yung mga ano-ano lang din sa babaw. Pero let's go na sa nursing process theory. Alright? The behavior of the patient or what the patient shows. So, for example, alright, for example, gaano ba ang patient nang ano siya, magsulod siya sa clinic, ano siya ga-frown, ga-cry, or nagakapot siya sa iya tiyan. Alright, what the patient shows and the behavior of the patient. That's it. Alright, number two. Ano ang number two? Reaction of the nurse. Ano reaction of the nurse? Ano reaction niya? Gamla. Joke. Hindi. Anong reaction niya? Right, the nurse wonders if the patient is in pain. Right, di ba kakapot siya tiyan niya? Is in pain, hungry, nagutom siya bala, or nakulbaan. 'Di ba? So amo na. So detective siya guys kay nga ginapakot, not only hindi nga ginapakot kasi syempre guys tinun-an tani mo. So kung magkapot siya tiyan, of course matik may problema sa tiyan. Tama? And last is the nursing actions which are designed in the patient's benefit or what the nurse does. Right? Ano bronze ang nurse? Alright, gina-check and then gives the right care like medicine, comfort, or water. Alright? The role of the nurse is to find out, ara na, find out and meet the patient's immediate need for help. Meaning, find out, alright, kung ano ang sakit ginto or ano gin main problem ni patient. Nursing process helps the nurse find out the nature of the distress and what helps the patient. The use of this theory keeps the nurses focused on the patient. The strength of the theory is it is clear, concise, and easy to use. Tama. Major concepts and definitions, guys. Need is a situation ni more of objective lang na siya. So i-read nyo na lang yan, guys, no? Need, present behavior of patient, o ara lang na, guys. Immediate reactions, nursing process discipline, i-read nyo na lang. Once referred to as the deliberative nursing process. Alright. Automatic nursing actions, nursing activities that are decided upon for reasons other than the patient's immediate need. Kapos na lang. Theory assumptions, read nyo na lang, guys. When patients cannot cope with their needs on their own, they become distressed by the feelings of helplessness. Tama. Kaya helpless na sila guys. So, kinanlan kamugid, mapakot, or dapat mabalaan nyo gid. Na do detective kamo nga dapat balaan nyo kung ano ang problema ni patient. Tama. And that's it.